The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the perfect smaller than pocket-sized smartphone. It's packed with cameras and AI tech that make life easier, so let's see what it can do. When folded, this fits into the palm of your hand, and when it's unfolded, it's only 6.5mm thin. And that's about as thick as a pencil. This is also really handy. You don't even need to open your phone to access some of your most used apps, as you've got the brand new and improved larger Flex window on the front. Here you can check the weather, you can send messages, and check out your Now brief. I'll explain more about this later, all without opening your phone. Then inside you get the larger 6.9-inch display, perfect for everything else like doom scrolling or catching up on your current binge watch. If it is photography you're interested in, let's take a look at this. The Z Flip 7 gives you detailed social-worthy selfies thanks to the upgraded 50-megapixel camera. In flex mode, you can prop the phone up on a flat surface like this, step away and take a selfie from a distance. Now, one thing I love about this is that you can see yourself in the screen as you take the photo, which makes the process a whole lot easier than usual. Plus, if you are taking a group photo, the Best Face feature lets you select each person's best take and merge them into one image. This is great as it means no one will ever have to settle for a photo where they record mid-blink. This is also packed with impressive AI. You need to quickly make a restaurant reservation? Google Gemini can help you with that. Let's try this. I need a last-minute reservation for a nearby pet-friendly Italian restaurant.
Here are a couple of last-minute dinner options for a pet-friendly Italian restaurant in Colchester.
And now I've got loads of options to choose from. One of the coolest things about this phone is Gemini Live. This lets you point the camera at something or share your screen to ask Gemini for more info. Can I get some outfit inspiration for this top?
That purple t-shirt looks really comfy. You could rock it with some dark blue jeans for a casual look, or maybe some beige chinos for something a bit smarter. What kind of style are you usually into?
And AI can even lend a hand without you asking it to. Now Brief prepares you for the day with info on weather and upcoming events, and the Now bar gives you updates on what's important to you throughout the day. If you'd like more info about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.